Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm Bob.
And I'm Kelly.
And we are here at Paddlefish at Disney Springs and Walt Disney World.
Yeah, we're going to have dinner here. We haven't been here in a long time.
It's been a few years since we've been here.
And we have some special guests, our friends Tiffany and Dave. Say hi.
Say hi, Tiffany and Dave.
Hi, Tiffany and Dave.
Good job. I love this guy.
So we're going to have dinner here, and we will show you the menu and what we think of Paddlefish. We only had lunch here like years
A long time ago.
It smells like Old Bay.
It does.
Out here.
We have Kaya too.
And we have Kaya.
Hi, Kaya. So, yeah, we're looking forward to a really lovely dinner here at Paddlefish. And if it's not, you're going to know about it. So
that's right, because we tell you the facts.
We do.
How it is.
And we are not sponsored.
Okie dokie, folks, we got some drinks. So Bob has a Captain Handsome.
It's like a raspberry vodka drink.
Okay, cool.
It's got raspberry, framboise,
Framboise, yes. What is this called?
What?
What is this called?
Yours is like a Hawaiian.
I'll put it in right here and tell you what it's called. But it's really pretty. Like, look at the layering on that thing. That's gorgeous. Yeah, and then we got some bread.
The party's at the top.
Party's at the top, so you got to mix her in. And we're right here by the paddles, which is really nice. They gave us a nice view.
Here we go, folks. Kelly is going to take a drink of her Hawaiian something.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
It's got gin and some other stuff.
I'm going to load it up.
I'm a gin kind of girl.
Okay, here goes mine. Ready?
Cheers.
I like the way the rosemary kind of gives a little bit of flavoring just from the nose of the rosemary. But yeah, it's really good.
All right, we have the lobster corn dogs. So you get 4 of them per order. They look like this. They come with some kind of sauce.
Like a remoulade.
Remoulade and a lemon.
And lemon.
And a lemon. They look good. So why don't we have Kaya try it?
Girl, try it.
Anything on a stick is good, but this stick is a long stick. It's hot, but yummy.
I've had the lobster corn dogs before, and they're really good. God, that is one big-ass crab cake. That is giant crab cake. Like, I'd like to see the crab that came from. Whoa, that's massive. All right, Kaya, go for it. Here goes Kaya. Lobster corn dog. Wow, that's quite the yum. Good. Cool. Here,
Bob's turn. Okay, he's making me do things.
I am.
They say that I don't have to do anything.
But you do.
They promise 2 weeks of freedom, and then I have to do all of this.
It's a freedom. Who
Yeah.
promised you that?
Your wife.
Well, that's
No,
me.
no scholarships, no homework, no enslaving, and look where I am. Look where I
Are you
am.
complaining that you're at Disney
Okay.
and you don't like lobster?
That's very good.
All right, so I got the short ribs. So we've got like ribs and some little baby zucchinis. That looks really yummy. Look at, I'm just going to show you Tiffany and Dave's because their fish looks really yummy.
She got totally cut this out.
Beautiful.
Supporting cast.
I don't know what that is, but it looks good. Oh, here comes Bob and Kaya's. Look at this. Here comes yours. Look at that platter. Wow.
Look how even left the net it was caught in.
That looks good. That's huge.
Wow, that's awesome.
That's massive. What is it?
Seafood boil.
We looked at the crab one.
That looks
amazing.
I'm gonna love this.
Okie dokie, folks. We are on lap 3. We have desserts. So I have the cheesecake. Kaya has the chocolate cake. And Bob has the key lime pie. That looks good.
We gotta see what.
And all of these are included in your dining plan.
It's good.
Good?
It could be a little more limey.
Okay. We'll get the verdict on the chocolate cake and the
Check out this.
cheesecake.
Look
for
at
you.
the crumble. Look at
I
this.
know, that's cool.
That's called, I'm gonna give it an A for presentation.
Okay. I like the meringue.
Okie dokie, guys. We just got done at Paddlefish.
Yes.
What did you think?
Oh, I loved the entree. I loved the appetizer. I loved the atmosphere. Our server, Savannah,
She was amazing.
she was so awesome.
Yeah, she was great. The only thing that was lacking was the dessert round.
Yeah.
Was a little like, it's kind of like grocery store desserts.
Right.
But other than that, everything was really, really good.
I mean, you can eat it.
Yeah, that's true. Like if
That's
you're,
probably the worst thing you can say.
Yeah.
It was edible.
yeah. But you know, service was great. Entrees were great. If you're on the dining plan, I think it's a really,
It's a really good
use
deal,
of your
yeah.
dining plan credit.
Uh-huh.
It does take 2 credits per person.
Right.
So be prepared for that. But for the value, I think it was worth it.
I do too.
I will insert what our total was here.
Boom.
Thank you.
Okay, good job.
We did pay a little bit extra for an appetizer and a couple extra drinks.
Yeah.
But yeah, I thought it was worth it.
I thought it was worth every
I would
penny.
go back.
Yes.
Maybe not like every time.
No, but I would definitely come back
Yeah.
and have this because I have never been disappointed here.
So out of 10, what would you rate it?
I would rate it a 9.5.
Okay, I would give it like an 8.
No, I was much better.
Okay, what about you, Kaya?
Hello, I give it an 8. I cut my finger, so if I decide to press charges, watch out, Paddlefish. But I give it like an 8.5.
Okay.
All right.
And Tiff and Dave, you like it?
Fantastic.
See? Awesome.
What would you give it out of 10? 8 out of 10.
8.5 or 9
Okay.
for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
See? I gave it a 9.
Okay.
See? The guys are more generous.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do us a huge favor and give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the
Bing.
notification bell so you know when we post. And we will see you guys next time, okay? Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. There you go.
Love you, bye.
Yes!
It looks like I'm not wearing
Gang's all here.
Guys, not